Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need accounts and platform clarity first. Sign into a Microsoft account and pick a gamer tag so progress syncs. Once done, decide whether you'll play on console, PC, or via cloud. Make sure to check the multiplayer requirement for each title. Many free-to-play games let you play online without Game Pass, while paid titles may require a one-time purchase or an Xbox Live subscription. Now, link your accounts. This saves time when you buy or join matches later. Next, get the actual game and establish a reliable connection. Purchase the game on the Microsoft Store, Steam, or Epic Games, or download free-to-play titles. Once installed, apply updates so you aren't blocked from matchmaking. Configure your network. Set a moderate NAT type, enable UPnP or port forwarding on your router for lower latency, and test speed. Link platform accounts and enable crossplay where supported. This expands player pools, reduces wait times, and ensures your friends can join regardless of system. Finally, join or host matches and fine-tune performance. Open the multiplayer lobby, confirm online status in settings, and pick the closest server or region for the best ping. Reduce background bandwidth by closing downloads and lowering upload-heavy features. Once done, tweak in-game graphics for stability on older hardware. If problems occur, run basic troubleshooting. Verify NAT type, restart your router, sign out and back in, clear system cache, or reinstall the game. If issues persist, test with a different network to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.